Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this Motorola. First of all, you need to install your new defaults. I have some kind of SMS app and Opera mini browser. When your apps are ready, go into Settings. In Settings, tap on Apps and Notifications. Select Advanced. Scroll down and click on Default Apps. Now click on the best section for you. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, tap on Opera Mini, and go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. You can do exactly the same with all the other ones, like SMS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!